Welcome to OnGo. Believe it or not, this is a celebration. Through the magic of science, you are just minutes away from your confidence-boosting, freedom-boosting, get out there and enjoy life COVID-19 assessment. But first, we have to teach you how to use our test. Download the OnGo app on your mobile device. It's mobile, and with it, you'll be mobile too. Scan the QR code on the box or search OnGo on the App Store or Google Play and create an account. Once it's on your phone, you'll be ready to go. We've made the on-screen instructions super easy to follow. A few questions that help us guide you. Keep in mind, the test procedures are different for different ages. If you're helping administer the test for someone else, like a child, you can register each additional person as a dependent. Watch this video to get familiar with the testing procedure. Then, it's your turn. The app walks you through these same steps, so you're sure you're doing it right. But before you test your body, let's take a second to clear your mind. Close your eyes. Think of everything you will be able to experience once you know your COVID-19 status. Freedom could be closer than ever. When you're ready, feel free to get started. First, let's wash your hands thoroughly. Always great advice, but for this, it's super important. Then, let's make sure we've got everything we need. The test components include the test cassette, extraction vial, the vial cap, and the nasal swab. Remove the test cassette and place it on a clean, flat surface. Take the extraction vial and gently peel off the top seal. Be sure to keep the vial upright and place it in the designated hole on the package or provided vial stand. Now you can remove the nasal swab from the pouch. Be careful not to touch the swab tip. If the person being tested is 14 years or younger, an adult must collect the sample. Okay, here's the big moment. Gently insert the swab into the left nostril. No need to go too crazy here, but you have to go in deep enough to get a good sample. Then, slowly rotate the swab at least 5 times in a circular path for a total of 15 seconds. We even included a built-in timer on the app to help ensure thorough sampling. 15 seconds goes by faster than you think. Gently remove the swab from the left nostril and repeat on your right nostril. Be sure to swirl the swab at least 5 times around the right nostril for a full 15 seconds. If you want to start on your right nostril and then do your left, feel free. Just make sure you do each nostril the same and don't leave any nostril behind. You're halfway there and doing great. Now place the swab into the extraction vial. Rotate the swab vigorously at least 5 times. Shake it like a Polaroid picture, baby. Remove the swab by rotating against the extraction vial while squeezing the sides of the vial to release the liquid from the swab. Go ahead and discard the swab into the trash. No need to keep it as a souvenir or anything. Now, close the cap nice and tight. Make sure you hear a click to know the cap is tightly secured to the vial. You can help the mixing process by giving the vial a little flick. That's it, kind of fun. Almost. Now, we're going to put that mixture into the sample well. Squeeze the vial gently. Allow 3 drops of sample to fall into the sample well. If you're feeling like a scientist right now, really enjoy that. As soon as your sample is added, click the button on the app. This is it, the final countdown. Your test will be ready to read when the timer finishes. That's it. Just let it do its science-y thing and make sure that you don't exit the app. When the timer is finished, place the test cassette on a flat surface and make sure there is good lighting in order to take a photo. Line up the test cassette with the marks in the app screen and snap a pic. If prompted, follow the steps to confirm your results. Your test results will be displayed as either positive for COVID-19 or negative for COVID-19. If, in the unlikely event there was a problem with your test, you'll receive invalid. At this point, you'll want to try another test. And the good news is that now you're a pro. Great job! Your test will be ready to read in 10 minutes when the timer finishes in the app. Congrats, and fingers crossed. Thank you for testing with OnGo.